Hi there, my name is Mia and today I'm going to be repotting my plants. In this video I used my plants, obviously, some pots I found laying around the house with last year's soil in it, my gloves, a tool to help me dig, and of course my watering can. In the first pot we have basil, in the second we have chives, and in the third we have parsley and oregano. The first step is to organize your plants. Next, you're going to dig holes for your plants, making the hole about as deep as the plant itself. To remove the plant from its container, lightly squish the sides until it slowly comes loose. Then you can gently but firmly place it in the hole, filling in any cracks and crevices with the soil. I'm going to repeat this step with my remaining plants. Basil can have many health benefits, including improving mental health and protection against infection. Parsley is rich in nutrients and supports bone health. Oregano strengthens the immune system and may even have anti-cancer properties. Chives support the digestive process and detox the body. All of these herbs are easy to incorporate into your diet, making them perfect starter plants. All that's left to do is give each of your plants lots of water. And we're done! Follow TUGI on social media, link in the description. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed.